Supplements are important on the Shortcut to Shred program for numerous reasons. Obviously, you want to maximize the amount of fat loss that you get while you're maximizing the amount of muscle growth and strength gains. Plus, you also want to enhance your performance during the workout. The greater your workout performance is, the more intensity you can put into your training, that's going to result in greater benefits, more muscle growth, more strength, and even better fat loss. First, I'll break down each supplement and their specific benefits. And these supplements that I selected have been proven in the lab to work in numerous research studies, but I've also shown that they work in the real world. Whey protein. Whey protein is a critical supplement on the Shortcut to Shred program for numerous reasons. Most of you already know it's a superior protein when it comes to muscle growth and strength gains, so obviously that's a key to why it's included in the program. It's going to enhance your recovery after the workout, and it's important to get some in before the workout to boost your performance and your energy levels, decrease muscle breakdown, and further enhance muscle growth. But few people realize that whey protein can also aid fat loss. One of the major ways it does this is by decreasing appetite. Research shows that whey protein is a great protein to help you feel more satiated and to decrease how much food you eat. So it makes you feel fuller than other protein sources. And whey protein is important because it increases the release of certain hormones that let the brain know you're full, and it also increases a peptide that also helps the body know that you've had enough to eat. That's going to help you to stick on your diet and eat less food, meaning you're going to burn more calories with the workouts, consuming fewer calories, as I spoke of before. That's going to be critical for your fat loss efforts. Casein protein. Casein protein is primarily included in the Shortcut to Shred program for its muscle building benefits. We know that whey is a superior protein. Now, we used to think that casein was sort of subpar protein because it's so slow digesting that it really doesn't provide any benefit around workout. But what the new research now shows is that when you take whey and you combine it with casein, so you have a slow digesting protein with this fast digesting whey protein, the casein prolongs the anabolic effect that you get from just taking whey. So with casein, it increases your protein synthesis. That's going to help you to build more size, more strength, and building more muscle and strength is still a critical component of the Shortcut to Shred program. It's not all about dropping body fat. What's the point of dropping body fat if you're not building muscle? Casein is also important at nighttime before you go to bed. Now, you're going to be sleeping for hopefully 6 to 8 hours at least. So during that period, you're not eating. If you went 6 to 8 hours during the day, you wouldn't even think of going that long without eating because you're going to start getting hungry. That can increase muscle breakdown, and that's going to hamper your muscle building efforts. So by taking casein protein before bed, it's going to help to provide amino acids to your muscles while you're sleeping, help to decrease muscle breakdown, in other words, help you build more muscle. Branched chain amino acids. The branched chain amino acids are composed of the 3 amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These are the 3 most critical amino acids, period, for muscle growth. Leucine in particular has been found to actually turn on muscle protein synthesis. It gets into the muscle cell and actually instigates processes that then allow the muscle to build more protein. However, these branched chain amino acids have far more benefits that are going to enhance your results and your workouts during the Shortcut to Shred program. Let's talk about energy. Branched chain amino acids are a critical energy source, especially during intense workouts. Shortcut to Shred, the workouts don't get any more intense than that. So you're really going to need branched chain amino acids. They're going to provide your muscles a direct energy source. Plus, valine has been found to help decrease fatigue. That's going to help prolong your energy, help you train harder for longer. That in itself is going to allow you to get greater results from the workout from muscle building to better fat loss. Another benefit of branched-chain amino acids is fat loss. One of the reasons that whey protein is so beneficial to making you feel fuller is due to its leucine content. Leucine is a critical amino acid that gets in the brain and then signals the brain that you've had enough to consume, to eat. That's going to make you feel fuller and again help you eat less. Isoleucine has also been found to help with fat loss. The branched-chain amino acids in general, because they spike muscle protein synthesis so much, and muscle protein synthesis is a calorie-requiring process, the calories that are involved in that process help you burn more calories, and that can aid fat loss. Fish oil. Fish oil is going to provide numerous benefits. If you've watched my nutrition video, we already discussed the omega-3 fatty acids as essential fats and their importance for both health and fat loss. Fish oil is just providing a direct source of omega-3. Now, those omega-3s help to enhance fat loss by literally influencing genes in your body. And these are genes that turn on fat-burning processes. The essential omega-3 fats increase the activity of these genes. This increases fat burning. They also decrease activity of genes that increase fat storage. So by decreasing the activity of these genes, you store less fat, and then by increasing the activity of the other genes, you increase the amount of fat that you burn. And that's the main way that these essential omega-3 fats work to enhance fat loss. Creatine. Creatine is a critical provider of energy. It provides your muscles the fast energy source that they need during these workouts. Remember, these workouts are extremely fast-paced. The more creatine you have in your muscle cells, the faster they can recover between those sets, between those cardiac acceleration sets. And that's going to allow you to take that next set further. It's going to allow you to get more reps on that next set. And that's going to help you burn more calories, help you get stronger, help you build more muscle. BetaAlanine. BetaAlanine is an amino acid. It has a direct impact on energy levels in the muscle cell. So when you take BetaAlanine, it combines with another amino acid, histidine, to form this compound that's called carnosine. In carnosine, what we've found is that when carnosine is higher in muscle fibers, those muscle fibers can contract with more force and they have more endurance. What does that mean when you're working out? Well, obviously that means you're going to be stronger, you're going to be able to recover faster between sets, and you're going to be able to get more reps with a particular weight. And this is really going to come in handy when you're getting into those high rep workouts on the Shortcut to Shred program. Caffeine, for starters, let's get into its workout benefits. When you take it before workouts, as research has shown, it increases muscle strength, it increases muscle endurance, it increases your pain threshold so that you can take sets further through that pain barrier, allowing you to train with more intensity. And again, that's going to provide you better results. Now we know that caffeine is a central nervous system stimulant. It ramps you up. Well, that's going to ramp up your calorie burning as well. It actually goes to fat cells, attaches to the fat cell, and then encourages the fat cell to give up more of its stored fat so that that stored fat can be burned for energy. And then caffeine can also help to blunt hunger, which is going to be critical during the Shortcut to Shred diet portion. And caffeine also has the mood-enhancing benefit. It can help to boost your mood, help you feel better, and that's critical when you're dieting, basically cutting out your calories, keeping them low. That caffeine's going to help you to keep your mood elevated, help you feeling better, eat less, burn more fat. Green tea extract. Green tea not only boosts your metabolic rate, as research shows, but it provides so many other benefits. And the main reason for this is antioxidants that are in the green tea called catechins. And there's a specific catechin in green tea that green tea is highest in, EGCG. That catechin has been found to stop or inhibit the breakdown of an important neurotransmitter and hormone that's called norepinephrine. So norepinephrine is going to increase your metabolic rate and enhance the amount of fat you burn. So when you take green tea extract, that's going to help to keep norepinephrine levels higher, which means you're going to be burning more calories and burning more fat. So be sure to take green tea extract. Acetyl-L-carnitine. Now, acetyl-carnitine is just a specific form of carnitine. With this acetyl group attached to it, it allows the carnitine to be better absorbed by the body, and it also allows it to get better entrance into the brain, providing a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine, which is going to help your nervous system, your brain function, but also, like I said, you're going to be able to absorb more carnitine, which is going to help to burn more body fat. And then carnitine has also been found to have other benefits, such as boosting nitric oxide levels. That's going to get more blood flow to your exercising muscles, provide more energy, more nutrients, more oxygen. That's going to allow you to train harder for longer, maximizing your results. L-carnitine. So we've already talked about acetyl-L-carnitine. Now, carnitine is an interesting molecule. Some people call it an amino acid. It's a little more complex than just an amino acid. It is composed of certain amino acids, but it's also composed of vitamins as well. Now, carnitine itself, the molecule, is important for fat loss because it literally acts as almost a carrier for fat. It helps to get more fat into the mitochondria. And the mitochondria are basically the power plants of all your cells. This is where energy is produced. This is where fat gets burned and produces the energy that your muscles need to contract. So with carnitine, having more carnitine is going to help you get more fat into the mitochondria, those power plants, where it can be burned away for good. Carnitine itself, the L-carnitine or L-carnitine L-tartrate, has been found to be taken up by the muscles better when you get a big insulin boost. And if you watched the nutrition video, we talked about post-workout, getting in those fast digesting carbs, boosting insulin. It's going to help drive more nutrients into the muscle. Carnitine is one of those nutrients that insulin is going to help drive into the muscle. Getting more carnitine into the muscle is going to help those muscles burn more of your body fat. Plus, like I said, the carnitine is going to also enhance nitric oxide levels, which is going to boost blood flow to those muscles, and that can further enhance recovery. Yohimbe. Yohimbe is an extract from the bark of the tree called yohimbe. The main active ingredients in yohimbe are yohimbine and alpha yohimbine. These are what are going to provide the real fat burning benefits. It attaches right onto the fat cells, and that's going to encourage more fat to be released from the fat cells. It also blocks fat from being stored into those fat cells. So by taking yohimbe, you're going to enhance the amount of fat that's released and burned. Yohimbe also has other benefits, like it increases blood flow, which can enhance your energy levels during the workout. CLA. CLA stands for conjugated linoleic acid. Now, this is another healthy fat, like the omega-3 essential fats in fish oil, but CLA is an omega-6 fat. Now, we typically get too much omega-6 in our diet versus omega-3, but the omega-6 that's CLA is a completely different omega-6 than we get in our diet. Now, research has shown that subjects taking CLA while following strength training program lose more body fat while simultaneously increasing muscle growth and muscle strength. So that's the main reason why I've included it in the Shortcut to Shred program, to get the benefits of both fat burning while increasing your muscle growth and strength gains. These are supplements that not only have clinical science backing them up, but they also have my own approval because I've seen the results that they produce in my own body and in thousands and thousands of others when they take my recommendations. Be sure to watch all the other videos of the Shortcut to Shred program. Later on, I'll get into the details on how much to take of each supplement and when to take them.